Some nail shapes are usually reserved for either long, strong natural nails or nail extensions, where the nail length can facilitate a longer nail shape. To create a stiletto nail shape, clip the sides of the nail with care to create a point. File the sides of the nail to accentuate the stiletto shape and smooth the point. Turn your client's hand over to check that your work has the required symmetry. Use your 180-220 buffer to bevel and refine the edges. Complete by using your nail brush to remove any dust or residue. To create a ballerina nail shape, use your clippers to cut the nails or extensions to create diagonal lines. File the sides and edge of the nail to refine your shape. Next, file across the free edge to create a flat ballerina point. Turn your client's hand over to ensure that you have created a symmetrical ballerina point. Finish your nail shaping by using your 180/220 buffer and nail brush to bevel, refine and remove any fraying edges. When creating a pointed nail shape, keep in mind that a pointed nail will have less length than a stiletto nail and your lines will be more diagonal. After clipping the nail, file the sides to create a defined point on the free edge of the nail. Turn your client's hand over to check your work and adjust as needed. And use your 180/220 buffer to bevel and refine the edges. Complete by using the nail brush to remove any fraying edges. Remember that using the correct files, buffs, tools and techniques are imperative to ensure that your nail preparation is effective for a beautifully finished manicure.